Now, your Storm Tracker first forecast.
Well, we had a pretty decent day for much of southwest Montana, but we are looking at some big changes in the forecast. All these showers across the Pacific Northwest are going to continue spinning into our area. I'll let you know when and how much coming up.
Fair, accurate, to the point. The 10 o'clock news starts now on KBZK, Montana's news station.
Wet weather on the way. Our meteorologist Adam Bell in with your forecast. Adam.
Well, Bozeman is looking pretty good, at least for the next 12 to 24 hours before we start seeing a little more unsettled weather return to the area. 51 degrees right now in the mining city, 51 over in Bozeman. So fairly comfortable temperatures as we go into the evening hours tonight. But overnight tonight, we are going to see some breaks in the clouds, and that's going to lead to some cooler temperatures for a cool start to tomorrow. And it's only going to be in the 50s for our high temperatures tomorrow afternoon as well. So unsettled weather will be returning. We could see a few sprinkles here and there, but a better chance on Friday. More details about that coming up straight ahead.
Thank you, Adam.
Your accurate forecast from Adam Bell starts now with Storm Tracker weather on KBZK, Montana's news station.
Still fairly mild for even this hour in the evening across southwest Montana, but we are still looking at all sorts of problems just east of our viewing area, including the Livingston area in Park County. We have a winter storm warning, or winter storm watch, and a flood watch in effect at the exact same time for different parts of the county. We are looking at above 8,000 feet, the possibility of 1 to 2 feet of snow. Below 8,000 feet, which is the majority of the county, 1 to 2 inches of rain all the way between now and Thursday. Now, the majority of that rain will start Friday afternoon, and then will get heavier as the weekend progresses, but definitely a big mess just to our east, and it could spill over into Gallatin County as well, but we will definitely start seeing some showers as we head through the second half of the week and the part of, or actually second half of the work week into the weekend across southwest Montana. Now, we're looking at just a few clouds across our area this evening, but all sorts of unsettled weather across most of the Pacific Northwest, even showers spanning as far west as central Oregon and as far east as off the map out toward the Dakotas here. Let's go outside with our iCam, take a look at how things looked earlier in the evening as we saw the sun set, just a picture-perfect night across southwest Montana. A couple of clouds out there, but definitely pretty quiet conditions overall. Temperatures were, well, relatively on the quiet side, 51 degrees right now, but the winds have shifted now out of the southeast at 13 miles per hour. The big component there is to focus on the easterly component of that wind. Usually we get westerly, northwest, southwest, or just south or even west, but this time we're starting to see an easterly flow, and that's going to play a big factor in our weather over the next couple days. We did get to 61 degrees this afternoon, nowhere near our average high of 65 for this time of year. Now, once again, we have a low pressure system off to our south, and that's what's going to be a big factor in our weather pattern for the next couple of days. It's going to continue trekking ever so slowly toward the north and east, and as it does, it's going to give us a little bit of a backflow or a wraparound moisture where we're going to get moisture flowing in from the east, and as that happens, we're actually going to be on the much more unsettled side weather-wise across southwest Montana. We're going to see moisture keep on streaming in, and it's going to continue to do so for quite some time. Now, off to the south, we do have a couple of scattered showers here and there overall, but really the big story is what's going to be moving into our area over the coming days, as we're going to see a pretty good opportunity for some wet weather. And yes, there was some breeze earlier in the day today too, but you can see most of the moisture now still sitting off just to our east, and it will once again possibly spill over. Places furthest to the east in our viewing area have the best chance of seeing a couple showers. For tonight though, once again, an isolated shower or two dropping down to 40 in Bozeman, 38 over in Ennis. So the clouds are going to keep us on the warm side tonight. Tomorrow, the clouds will keep us on the cool side, about 5 to 10 degrees below our average highs for this time of year as we go into the evening hours tonight. 7-day forecast, once again remaining on the unsettled side as we remain extremely wet on Friday, and then the showers continue off and on throughout the rest of the 7-day forecast, and our temperatures highs are going to be just a little bit below our average highs occasionally, but we're going to be in the 50s for a few days as well. Over in Belgrade, also looking at rain continuing. Once again, maybe a slight chance of some late day showers on Thursday, but more likely as we head through the rest of that 7-day forecast. Maybe a rain-snow mix over in West Yellowstone as we're still adding to the snowpack when we should be taking away from it as we head into the flood season. That's a look at your latest forecast. Health Watch is next. One last look at that 7-day forecast. Well, it is going to be unsettled. Tomorrow may be our last dry day for quite some time, and we may even pick up a couple sprinkles tomorrow as well. Definitely on the cool side as we stay in the low to mid 50s for a few days. We do get the 60s back, but definitely watch out for rising rivers over the next several days and weeks here in southwest Montana.